Alrighty guys, hiya again. So back with the ballerinas, and this was quite a difficult position. Sorry for the noise in the background. The dogs are backing in the background somewhere. So yeah, so ballerina stance, which I wanted to push my comfort zone again, and we'll just get started. Good speed, decent layout and structure to start with, and a good first try. I utilised the geometric and observational methods, and I feel like it was beneficial for this stance because, as I said, it was quite a difficult one. She was standing on one leg while the other leg was up, as you can see, standing on one leg and the other leg was up, and also pulling her arms behind her head. The reason I chose this pose was because it was difficult, and also I really liked the lines and also how the muscles looked as well. So really happy with that first one. Second one, yeah, it was you can see a bit more of the actual body. This wasn't captured quite right. That should have been further around, and I should have made the bottom a little bit more curved. And the arms should have had more definition and slightly more muscles in them. They look like little pins. But yeah, I mean, it was quite difficult, as I said, because it was an open arm and also kind of pulled in a strange position. But yeah, I'm quite happy with those two. The third one, I was quite happy with it until I got to here and I messed up the position of the leg. It should have been further around again, and it's far too thin as well. So as long as you keep learning from your mistakes and you can identify where you're going and how to correct the mistakes that you're creating, I myself have tended to lean a little bit heavier on the pencil, and I'm still trying to work on that, as well as work on positioning of different limbs, or where a structured like position should be. So yeah, geometric and observational methods for all three, and yeah, quite happy with it, even though it wasn't quite right, but keep going.